How to go invisible on Epic Games and appear offline. Let's get started. Launch your Epic Games app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to this kind of page. Now at the top right corner, you can find your profile icon. If you're online, you'll see green dot over there. Now how can you appear offline? For that, click on your profile icon. With that, different options will appear. Navigate to the option of settings. Open it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now scrolling down, you will find the section of preferences. Under that, you will find the option of enable offline mode browsing. You have to check in for that option. Once you enable that option, you can close these settings. Likewise, you can close your app, Epic Games, and reopen your app. With that, you will appear offline. So this is how you can easily go invisible on Epic Games and appear offline. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.